I've got a question for you. Do you want to know how to make extra money on the side, even if you're a beginner? I'm guessing that you've probably tried a few things here and there, but nothing has really worked out for you. Am I right? Don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, most people never make any extra money at all. According to a recent survey done by CNBC, less than 5% of Americans make any sort of significant income from side hustles, which means that 95% of people are leaving money on the table. In another recent survey, only 8% of people said they were earning extra money on the side. The other 92% either don't know how to make extra money or they just don't bother trying. Now, I'm not here to lecture you. I'm here to help you. When you watch this video to the end, you're gonna discover exactly how to make extra money on the side starting from today. You don't need any special skills or experience, and you can start with very little money. Hey, Nadia here, and if you want to know how to make extra money on the side, make sure you stick with me till the end of this video, so that I can share my little secret with you. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's rock and roll. The first thing you need to understand is that there are two types of income: active and passive. Active income is what you earn from your job, your daily job. It's the money that you exchange for your time. Passive income is different. It's money that you make without having to work, or at least very little work. For example, if you have a website that generates income through advertising, that would be considered passive income because you're not actively doing anything to make the money. It's just coming on its own. There are so many ways to make money on the side that it would be impossible for me to go through all of them in this video. But let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos related to this subject. Now, what I'm going to do here is share with you 3 of the best and most popular ways to make extra money on the side. I want to save you time and money, so listen up carefully. The first way is by starting your own blogging website. Now, you might be thinking, I don't know how to build a website. I don't know how to write articles. Heck, I don't even know what to write about. Don't worry, it's actually very easy to do, and you can learn how to do it for free. There are many free tutorials and videos online that can teach you how to start your own blog in just a few minutes. Or, if you have the funds, you can pay someone to do it for you. There are many highly skilled freelancers out there who would more than be happy to help you out. Once you have a blogging website up and running, you can make money in many different ways. You can sell advertising space on your website, you can promote other people's products as an affiliate, or you can even sell your own products and services. The second way to make extra money on the side is by making videos on YouTube. Now, you're probably getting all angsty thinking, I don't have a video camera. I don't know how to edit videos. And I definitely don't know what to make videos about. Keep calm and follow along, my friend. I'm going to show you how to do this, even if you don't have a video camera or any experience making videos. You can use your phone to record videos, if you have a phone, with a good camera of course. And there are many free video editing softwares that you can use to edit your videos. As for what type of videos you should make, remember, having your own blog? You guessed it. You can easily make videos about the same topics as your blog. Or use your blog to create videos. Bam! It's that simple. Again, this is where the power of AI comes in. You can find many video creation and editing softwares that will help you create great videos for your blog without any experience. It really depends on your interests and hobbies. For example, if you love cooking, you can make cooking videos. Or if you love playing video games, you can make gaming videos. The third and final way to make extra money on the side is by becoming an affiliate marketer. This is my favorite. Now, I know that this might sound a bit technical, but stay with me. Affiliate marketing is basically when you promote other people's products and services in return of a commission. For example, if you have a website about weight loss, you can sign up to be an affiliate for a weight loss product. Then, whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys the product, you will earn a commission. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or services. You can simply promote other people's products and make money from it. You need to start your own affiliate marketing business. You need to start thinking outside the box, because this is how people are making a lot of money online now. I know that you're thinking, Nadia, I don't know how to do that. I'm not tech savvy and I don't have any money to start with. I get it. I was in your shoes not too long ago. But you know what? Affiliate marketing is actually very simple and anyone can do it. You don't need to be tech savvy or have any money to start with. In fact, you can start for free. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. And remember, you can learn how to start your blogging website for free, so use that website to promote affiliate marketing offers. Bam! Done! It's that simple. Once you have your affiliate marketing business up and running, you, my friend, can make money in many different ways. You see, I have given you 3 different ways that, when put together, can help you make extra money on the side easy and fast. Now, to my little secret. The best way to make extra money on the side is by having multiple streams of income. You see, when you have only one stream of income, let's say from your day job, if something happens to that job, then you're in big trouble. But when you have multiple streams of income, even if one dries up, you still have others to fall back on. So, my advice to you is to start diversifying your income sources as soon as possible. If you need help getting started, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And remember, if you take action and implement these ideas now, I guarantee that you will start making extra money in no time. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Until next time.